Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to charge for shipping in Shopify. So simply first of all open the setting, and now what you need to do, just click on shipping and delivery, and after this you can see we have this page. So simply click on add package, and now here type the package name, like I am typing the medium range here. So what kind of shipping you want to provide, box, envelope, like this. So here you can type the length, weight and height. So after this just click on add package, and now wait for a few seconds. So here you can see we have successfully added the package. So here you can see our package is saved. So in this way you can easily charge for shipping in Shopify.